yelling names, that's DCs. I go off my mind and my instinct. Shooting at the same time, we was in sync. On the same thing, trying to repeat. We was in the whips, right back on the enemies. I on my last hit, I was in the middle seat. Fuck it out the sunroof, Brody got a quick release. And we in the car real fast with police. Shots fired back, but it's fast in the street. When I bought a 40 show, bringing in Tiffany. Knowing that they call it, they shit they can't get from me. A lot of warfare, 17 had a 50 B. Flexed on niggas, so you know they want killer G. Warriors, posted in the hood with some Billy Keys. Loyalty, rock that, show them what it really means. I can't sleep cause it's a war zone in my head. My killer's good, they know I'm hands on with the bread. $1 billion ahead, I'm still angry, seeing red. How the fuck I'm supposed to have fun? All my niggas dead.
I turn the news on when I smell death in the air. I prove you wrong, I made it out of here. I don't belong, I see my past everywhere. Don't stand too close to me, eternal PTSD. I got a war zone inside of my head. I made it on my own, they said I'd be in jail or dead. I seen my brothers fall over and over again. Don't stand too close to me, I got PTSD.
Used to run home from the train stop. Running so fast, out the raindrops. Remember got robbed at the park once. Remember thinking that bitch probably ain't caught. Remember I was with my mama one time. Seen a nigga through the glass, hit a nigga with a bank shot. Point blank head hanging off his tank top. Walked off, we drove off with the gang. Quiet right there, pick up San Andreas. Certain things we ain't talk about, mama, we just afraid of. We seen it all, don't get involved. Carry the weight of the world like a shawl. Conceal it, reveal it, if people in cars. I still can feel it, I know that the world is evil in case you thought a nigga forgot it. Well, my homie was bleeding out, another homie went in his pockets. Please do not run up on me, not even as fans. Niggas get fans, down on the damn Ryan, I'm flying, I'm scary as hell, I need me a Zan.
Days seem longer as life gets shorter. We know sex, drugs, money, all in that order. Ain't no structure, no peace. We lost our order, leaving me with anxiety. Fucking lost sobriety.
It's a war zone laying inside my head. I still think about all my niggas that's dead. I'm too paranoid, yeah, I know you heard what I said. I'm too paranoid, I make sure all my outs stay black. Draining all my energy, no, I cannot sleep. I'm affected by the streets, no appetite I can't eat. I only see red when I see. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. Yeah.
I turn the news on when I smell death in the air.